I leave in a few days. I'll be there August, September, October, and the early part of November. I'm really excited. This time I have some projects that I believe in, projects that I need your help with. I want you to go to worldserveinternational.org, and I want you to look for the Loita Hills Maasai projects. I have two projects that I really need support with. One is bringing solar lanterns to the students of Loita Hills. That's 7,200 kids. And they live without any electricity, and their home is always dark. Not only will these lights help the students, the kids themselves, but there'll be a sense of pride for the kid who goes to school rather than spends his days taking after the cows and goats. So the whole family will prosper, and I'm really excited by these lights. They're only $11.95. It's all it takes to light one home. And my other project is a fresh water well. I'll be going back during the dry season, and dry season in Kenya is really dry. It's pretty easy to find water when it's raining, but when it's dry, you aren't even sure where to look. And with any luck, I will have World Serve International and their well drilling company, Magitech, there to build a plan for us for a fresh water well. But it's going to need your support. So please go to worldserveinternational.org and look for Loita Hills Maasai projects on the donate page. I really could use your help.